Hi, welcome to Principles of Economics. The entire staff for the course, which includes myself and several TAs, are really looking forward to working with you over the next 10 weeks to make this a highly rewarding academic experience. Over the next videos of this introductory unit, I'm going to introduce you to the material of the course, and I will also introduce you to some important logistics that you need to know associated with the class. But before we do that, I want to tell you a personal story. Teaching this course is a great passion of mine. And it's a great passion of mine because I really enjoy introducing students with a scientific and engineering mindset or background to principles of economics. Perhaps the reason why I feel so passionate about it is because I was one of you in 1990 when, as an undergraduate at Caltech, I took this class for the first time from Professor John Ledyard. And it was a life transformative experience. So what was so transformational about it? As you know, and I knew at the time, that economic and social forces had a huge impact in my life. I knew that the type of job that I would be able to get when I finish at Caltech and the salary that I will command will depend on the state of the American economy. I also knew, for example, that in the United States, every 4 years we have to decide who do we want to represent us in the office of the president, and often those elections involve very complex debates about economic issues like taxation or regulation. I was used to think at the time, extremely naively, that there was science and engineering where you could be precise, where you could have models, where you could understand the world with a beautiful level of detail, and then there was economics and social issues where you care passionately about it, but the best you can do is understand them by reading the newspaper and have debates with your friends. What was so transformational for me, and I hope for you during this class, in taking principles of economics, and especially a course of this type, was that I found out that there was a core of knowledge, a core of models that economists have developed over the last 200 years, that for a set of very basic important issues allows you to think about economics and social issues with the same precision, with the same style of modeling and testing that you would use in the scientific areas that you study in other aspects of your life. And that, to me, was transformational and incredibly rewarding. Once I understood these basic ideas that I will share with you in this class, I never again look at the world in the same way. It really changed the way I understood the economy and society, and even the way I was able to phrase the things that I didn't understand or that economics didn't understand.